Hey there, home lovers! Want to add a little heart to your home styling? Let's fold a heart with a throw blanket. Fold it in half lengthwise. You've got a neat rectangle. Now the fun begins. Gently tuck the top corners in to shape the heart's curves. Don't rush. Fluff it up and feel the love forming. Fold the bottom edges neatly into a point, shaping the base. And there you have it, your very own heart-shaped masterpiece crafted with just a throw, a little care, and a lot of love. It's perfect for romantic gestures, guest room charm, or simply making your space feel extra special. That's the Oxford Homeware touch. Want your own snuggly showstopper? Shop plush throws now at Oxford Homeware. Your home, your heart, your style.